Linking an account from another financial institution is easy using your RMLEFCU online banking dashboard. To get to your bank account dashboard, click the Online Banking button on the upper right-hand corner of the RMLEFCU website. From here, you can sign into your account with your username and password. Once you see your dashboard, navigate to the upper right-hand corner and click your name, and a drop-down menu will emerge. Select Settings with the gear icon. From here, you will be brought to the Settings page with your profile information. Select Accounts on the menu bar under Settings. Here you will see your account information. Below the menu bar, you will see Link an external account on the right-hand side. Click here and the options to link accounts from another financial institution or an external transfer account will appear. Here, you can type in the name of the financial institution for the account you're trying to link and log in using your credentials for the financial institution you selected. Review your information to ensure it is correct, and congratulations! Your accounts are now linked. You've successfully linked an external bank account and can now transfer funds to your RMLEFCU account. If you have any more questions or would like to learn more on what RMLEFCU has to offer, give us a call at 303-458-6660 or visit our website at www.rmlefcu.org. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.